guys, Project Something here with the WD My Passport 500 gigabyte My Passport edition. And it's black color. And we just received it from Western Digital today. They're a bit late now since the 2 terabyte version is out, but I guess it's better than nothing. So just looking around, there's nothing real special about the box. Comes in different colors. And yeah, let's open it up. So you just slide it open like this. Now, oh. And there you go. So you have a little manual book that's attached to tape. Then you have the cable. See, this special kind of drive, and it's USB 3.0. It's blue. And just slide it out, and that's it. It's pretty easy, lightweight. So you just plug it in. And there you go. USB 3.0. Pretty fast, guys. So thanks, comment, like, and subscribe.